Recently, I needed to add my wife to one of our online banking profiles. Sounds simple, right? It should have been a quick request and done. Instead, it turned into a week-long process. A banker helped us create the account, but even after everything was finished, my wife still couldn't see it under her login. We asked the banker how to fix it. She emailed instructions, but they were incomplete. I replied and asked for a simple step-by-step guide. The second set of instructions was still incomplete, but it was enough for me to figure it out myself. Now, here's the interesting part. I'm sure that banker is technically competent. She knows banking, but the experience showed something else. Her customer service skills needed a tune-up. And the same thing can happen at the IT help desk. More details on that in a moment. Just a quick reminder, Compassionate Geek's on-demand training teaches IT teams how to communicate with empathy, diffuse frustration, and create positive customer experiences. There's a link right below where you can register your team right now. For years, help desk work has been defined by technical skills. You need to understand operating systems, applications, networks, and troubleshooting. Those skills still matter, but the support environment is changing quickly. Artificial intelligence is already handling many frontline support tasks. Chatbots answer common questions. Automated tools reset passwords. AI systems suggest solutions and diagnose common problems. In many organizations, the first line of support isn't even a human anymore. So where does that leave help desk professionals? In a surprisingly strong position. AI is excellent at repetitive tasks and pattern recognition. What it struggles with are the human parts of support: empathy, trust, judgment, collaboration, understanding nuance in real conversations. In other words, the very skills that make someone easy to work with. That's why the future of help desk work isn't just technical competence, it's the combination of technical skills and strong interpersonal skills, and it starts with two foundational ideas: awareness and intentionality. Awareness means paying attention to how your words and actions affect the people you support. Intentionality means choosing words and behaviors that build cooperation and trust. From there, 10 soft skills make a huge difference at the help desk. First is awareness. Pay attention to how the other person is feeling and how your words land. Second is intentional communication. Choose language that encourages collaboration instead of shutting it down. Third, active listening. Let the user explain the problem and confirm what you heard before jumping to solutions. Fourth, empathy. Recognize the frustration someone feels when the technology they depend on stops working. Fifth, clear communication. Adjust your explanations to the technical level of the person you're helping. Sixth, patience. Not everyone speaks technology, and that's okay. Seventh, emotional self-control. When someone is frustrated, stay calm and professional. Eighth, problem-solving curiosity. Approach technical problems like an investigation instead of an annoyance. Ninth, collaboration. Many issues require teamwork across different parts of IT. And 10th, professional courtesy. Simple things like using someone's name, saying thank you, and providing updates go a long way. Here's the big picture. AI will continue to grow in technical support. Routine tasks will be automated. Knowledge bases will become smarter. Diagnostic tools will become more powerful. Existing jobs will be lost. New jobs will be created. But that doesn't eliminate the need for human support professionals. It actually increases the value of the human side of the job. Sure, jobs will be eliminated. That's what happens when new technologies emerge. The technicians who will thrive in the future will be those who combine strong technical skills with strong people skills. They understand that every support ticket is not just a technical issue, it's a human interaction. And that brings me back to my banker. The problem we had wasn't really a banking problem, it was a communication problem. If she had slowed down, thought about the user experience, and provided a clear, complete set of steps, the entire situation would have taken 5 minutes instead of a week. Technical competence matters, but in customer support, whether it's banking or IT, the soft skills are what turn competence into a great experience. Be sure to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel. Want more? You'll find tips and training to help your team become easy to work with at CompassionateGeek.com.